Hey, welcome to How to Build Your Own Home. This is Keith, and I want to talk about how to restore a home after a fire. One of the things that it could be very beneficial is trying to reuse the foundation as much as you possibly can. Now, fire can do a number on concrete if it's sustained for a long time, and if there's a couple of variables that were in place before the fire even took place. Number one is if the foundation had a lot of moisture in it, meaning if you're in a high humid area, or if this was in the wintertime and there's a lot of snow up against it, if there was a lot of moisture in this foundation, because we know concrete's porous, it absorbs water. If there was, and you have a fire hit that foundation, it creates a steaming effect, and that really starts to do a number on concrete. We didn't have any moisture up here. We've been dry up here for months straight with very little trickle. So it's been very arid. I live in a very arid climate. And of course, we didn't have any spalding on the foundation basically anywhere. I also didn't see any pink hue on the concrete. That's also kind of a significant indicator of possible weakening of the foundation. So we're going to reuse this foundation. We're going to power wash it, get it all clean, get everything cleaned out inside here. We're going to put some pea gravel in here, make it nice and pretty and smooth so it's easy to work underneath there. Get rid of all the ash. And we're redesigning the home to fit on this foundation. It's going to be very much the same home that was there before, although it's going to be mostly Class A fire rated. It's not going to burn down again. So we're excited about that. We'll call this series Fire Restoration Number 1. I've got a couple of restorations I'm probably going to be involved in, helping people out, even if I'm not contracted. They're okay with me filming them so that I can really give everyone a really good insight. I can't, on the destruction that it can occur when you don't build with the right materials, and what you can do to prevent that from happening again, or at least come very close to it. I can't do any drone shots right now. They're still fighting the fire out there. You can see the soot in the air still. As soon as that happens, I'll give you a full view of all these homes, the devastation in the area. But this one here will be the one we'll start on immediately, and possibly another one down that way. And I'm excited because I love to make things better. You've seen on prior posts on Pioneer Homes, taking a home that was 150 plus years and lifting it to its better and best use. So I'm excited to make this home last a very, very long time. We're excited about that. So stay tuned and get excited about what we can do after a devastation.